Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to record a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Uppercut. So to get started with a quick review and in-depth analysis about this platform to help you decide if this would be a better option for you in 2025. So to get started, Uppercut is a business growth and automation tool designed to help entrepreneur and sales teams streamline process and supercharge their results. It offers a range of features such as lead tracking, sales pipeline management, and automations, which automated follow-up that integrates seamlessly with your existing CRM and marketing platform. The intuitive interface makes it easy for users to set up and manage campaign, while data-driven insight and customizable dashboard provide a clear visibility into performance trend. This makes Uppercut a strong option for businesses looking to optimize their operation and increase efficiency without expensive technical know-how. However, Uppercut may be the best fit for everyone. Some users have noted that its advanced features comes with a steeper learning curve, and the higher tier plan can be pricey for small businesses or solopreneur on a tight budget. Additionally, while the tools integrate with popular platforms, there can be occasional synchronization issues that requires extra attention from IT support overall. If you are serious about scaling your sales and marketing effort and willing to invest time in mastering its features, Uppercut is worth considering as a powerful additions to your business toolkit in 2025. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.